Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History, Chapter 1 What, Where, How and When. And in this video, we will revise the section on finding out about the past. The first question is, the ways of finding out about the past are. Your options are books, inscriptions, books and inscriptions, none of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is books and inscriptions. Question 2. The books that were written long ago are called. Your options are pustaks, manuscripts, inscriptions, granths. Your time to choose. And the answer is manuscripts. Question 3. Old books are called manuscripts because they were. Your options are written by hand, old, written on leaf, written by man. Your time to choose. And the answer is written by hand. Question 4. The word manuscript is derived from dash language. Your options: Sanskrit, Latin, Greek, Irani. Your time to choose. And the answer is Latin. Question 5. The Latin word manu means. Options: leaf, bark of a tree, hand, none of the above. Your time. The answer is hand. Next question. Question 6. Manuscripts were generally written on bark of any tree, palm leaf, bark of birch, palm leaf and bark of birch. Your time. The answer is palm leaf and bark of birch. Question 7. Manuscripts were, however, usually written on. Options: bark of a tree, bark of birch, palm leaf and bark of birch. Your time. And the answer is palm leaf. Question 8. Birch trees grow in. Options: Indus, Himalayas, Ganga, Suleiman and Kirtar hills. Your time. And the answer is Himalayas. Question 9. The bark of the birch tree has to be dash for manuscripts. Options: peeled of birch tree, specially prepared, normally prepared, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is specially prepared. Question 10. Manuscripts were destroyed because of. The options: war, lack of care, fire, eaten by insects. Your time. And the answer is eaten by insects. Question 11. Manuscripts were often preserved in temples, monasteries, palaces. Your time. And the answer is temples and monasteries. Question 12. The topics dealt with by manuscripts were. Options: religious beliefs and practices, lives of kings, epics, poems, plays, medicine and science, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is All of the above. Question 13. Manuscripts were written in dash language. The options: Sanskrit, Prakrit, Tamil, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is all of the above. Question 14. Inscriptions were written on dash. Options: hard surfaces, palm leaf, bark of tree, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is hard surfaces. Question 15. Inscriptions were written on dash. Options: stone, metal, trees, stone and metal. Your time. And the answer is stone and metal. Question 16. Inscriptions were used to describe dash. Options: lives of kings, queens and people, king's orders, battle victories, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is all of the above. Question 17. The advantages of writing on hard surfaces were: options: permanence, easy to erase, not affected by insects. A and C. Your time to choose. The answer: A and C. Question 18. The difficulties of writing on hard surfaces were: options: procuring hard surface, difficult to inscribe. A and B. Easily destroyed. Your time. And the answer is A and B. Question 19. People who study remains of objects of the past and explore and excavate are called: options: archaeologists, history, historians, geologists, architects. Your choice. And the answer is archaeologists. Question 20. Archaeologists study these objects. Options: buildings of stone and brick, pots, pans, paintings and sculpture, tools, weapons, ornaments, coins. All of the above. Your time. And the answer is all of the above. Question 21. Which of the following objects archaeologists find could be made of stone? Options: buildings, ornaments, tools and weapons, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is all of the above. Question 22. Objects excavated by archaeologists are made of: options: stones and bones, baked clay, metal, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is all of the above. Question 23. From bones of animals, birds and fish, archaeologists find out: options: what people ate, types of animals that existed then, temperature. A and B. Your time. And the answer is A and B. Question 24. Plant remains are dash. Options: rarely found, frequently found, not found, always present. Your time. And the answer is rarely found. Question 25. The most common plant remains are options: seeds, wood, leaves, A and B. Your time. And the answer is A and B. Question 26. Plant remains, seeds and wood survive if options: preserved, burnt, embalmed, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is burnt. Question 27. Plant remains, seeds and wood survive in form. Your options: natural, charred, original, all of the above. Your time. Answer: charred. Question 28. Historians are archaeologists, excavators, teachers of history, scholars who study the past. Your time. The answer is scholars who study the past. Question 29. Historians use this word to refer to information from archaeological finds. Evidence, objects, source, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is source. Question 30. The source of information for historians is manuscripts, inscriptions, archaeology, all of the above. Your time. And the answer is all of the above. Question 31. Historians and archaeologists through sources dash the past. Options: reconstruct, guess, foresee, enact. Your time. And the answer is reconstruct. Okay. In this video, we saw finding out about the past. In the next video, we will see the section on one past or many pasts. I'll see you there.